Good afternoon to all. Shreya, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
तुम्ही मला नेट देऊन खाली गेलाय. असं वेरीचं कनेक्ट केलं का? Am I audible? Hi, am I audible? Shall we start with the class?
Yes.
Hello, Minal. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry for interruption. There is some network issue, so I started late. Okay, today there is our first lecture. Yes, I think some of your friends have attended my classes. Then I think from today your classes are going to start. Yes. If there is a problem in between network, please write in a chat box if I'm not audible to everyone. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Today is our first lecture. Introductory class is there. I think it's okay. Uh, uh, this introduction, I think from July month onwards, we have started our classes, but some students are new for that. First, once again, we are going to start with introduction class. Yes. Hmm? So today, I'll give first introduction myself. Myself, Mr. Jyoti Shinde, working as a system professor in the NTC department. Yes, from last 12 to 13 years, and I'm having the total teaching experience of 16 years. Yes, I have completed my graduation from RIT Sakhrale and then MTech from the same Sweri. Then from there, I have started with my lecturership and as a the teaching profession. Okay, in that I have taught the number of subjects. Like I have taught the DT number of times. Then even NTA. Earlier that was called as a circuits and networks. Yes. Then I taught the subjects related to third year and a final year also. Yes. Then now I am pursuing my PhD from Institute of Science. I have taken admission in our same Solapur University, Solapur. Yes. I think this much introduction is sufficient. Or there something else you want to ask? Yes, anything else I want to ask regarding my introduction? Mobile number is already there with you. Okay, now we move towards the related with the academics. Okay, for your that class for this semester, I am going to deal with your very interesting and visual subject, that is the digital techniques. Yes, I think already you have studied the digital technique in a diploma. Most of the syllabus, as I have started this introduction class, third to fourth time, then all of you are given that the suggestions like already we have discussed and already we have gone through the syllabus. 90% syllabus is already you have diploma. There is a one subject, I think, principle of digital techniques, something subject is there. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Huh. Yes. हाँ साक्षी. Sakshi, Minal. See, this is
Yes,
already it
ma'am.
is our online class,
Yes, ma'am.
and if we'll be unable to give at least give your answer in yes, no, and not audible, not understanding. In this, if will at least if will say I can understand that there to listen to me. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So at
Uh,
least this communication should be a two-way communication. Okay. So, to in this introductory class today, we will discuss about something with respect to the our syllabus. Syllabus काय काय आहे आपल्याला हे आपण discuss करणार आहे. Okay. Then I will some introduction with respect to की how much the वर्गाचा paper, practical oral examination, all the things. Okay, there is a network issue, so wait a minute. Screen is visible to everyone? Supriya,
Yes, ma'am.
screen is visible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, wait. Once again, I'll try. Okay, now visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shreya,
ma'am.
now visible? Yes. Okay, our first one is the, I told you, I am going to deal with the subject of digital techniques. Okay, this is my mail ID if you require. As with the help of mail, I'll send some PPTs and some material with respect to the digital techniques. This is my mail ID. Already I have given my introduction. Yes, introduction of the teacher, then introduction of the student. As now we are not face to face, is there? Online classes are there. Once we will be in a class, detailed introduction will be there. Now I can recognize you with the help of only names as whatever the displayed on your screen. Okay. Then the next, what is the title of the subject? That is a digital techniques. Okay, what do you mean by digital techniques? Everyone has already, as I told you, have already, you have already gone through the subject of digital technique. Anyone wants to give answer for the digital technique? What do you mean by digital technique? Yes? Anyone? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. I cannot understand whether I'm audible or not. I cannot see you, so I'm asking this question. Tell me what do you mean by digital? डिजिटल म्हटलं की काय येतं आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर?
0 and 1.
Yes? 0 and 1. Digital. Very correct. Anyone else? Anyone else? Digital. Now we are saying this is a digital word. Digital means what? Everything is in digit. Okay, every data is expressed in terms of a 0 and 1. Any example of digital? Yes? एखाद एक्झाम्पल सांगू शकता का डिजिटलचं? Anyone?
Smartphone.
Computer.
Yes?
Smartphone.
Computer. This is the digital. Yes, very correct. Yes. Okay. What is the title of the subject? That is a digital techniques. Digital is nothing but it is a data. It is represented as a series of the digit, that is a 0 and 1. That is it in terms of a binary form. ठीक है? Digital describes electronic technology that generates, okay, stores, generate पण करू शकतो, store पण करू शकतो, process पण करू शकतो data in terms of a two states, that is a positive and the non-positive. Means आपण in analog we are saying it is a positive and the negative. Okay. In a digital, positive is represented by number 1, negative is non-positive is represented by 0. Means we can say whatever the language will be there for a digital, it is in terms of 0 and 1. Whichever the language we are going to use for a digital, it is a language of 0 and 1. Okay, means digital understand the language of 0 and 1 only. So each of these states digit is represented as a bit. Okay, it's a long form का bit चा binary digit. This is a long form of the bit. तुम्हाला objective ला विचारलं जातं. ठीक है. Then what is the importance of the subject? Why to understand and why to study the digital techniques? Okay. Now, as I told you, we are saying this is a world of a digital world. So everyone is focusing on the digital things. Whatever the data I want in terms of the digit only. Digit मध्ये data असला पाहिजे. मला analog मध्ये काही नको आहे. So to understand each and everything, we have to understand the digital technique subject. Okay, याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला काय काय बघा इथं symbols दाखवलेले आहेत. Why it is importance of the subject. First one is the computer is there, then laptop is there, mobile is there, and mobile is very much important nowadays in our life, as all the lectures are the all the lectures, all the syllabus is online only, everywhere online is there. So nowadays mobile is very much important, and digital is one of the important point from the category of computer, mobile, laptop, everything. Okay, so to understand the subject, digital technique is added in your syllabus. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Shreya, someone give the answer, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then examination 30 marks is there. ISC in semester exam 30 marks. Okay. ISC is there for 30 marks. Okay. See, for the ISC, we are going to conduct 3 exams for the ISC. ISC 1, ISC 2, ISC 3. Okay, which is of a 20 marks. 3 ISC घेतल्या जातात 20-20 मार्काच्या असतात. Okay, that will be 20 marks, and open book test and unit test is there. Class test is there. Open book test is there. Class test is there. Based on that, we are going to give the remaining 10 marks. Okay, this criteria related with the ISC. If your classes will be offline, otherwise online directly ISC and the class test will be there. Open book test is not there. So based on the criteria, your marks will be there for the ISC. Means total marks is of 100 marks तुमचे होतात. 70 मार्काचा पेपर आणि 30 मार्काची ISC असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. आता 70 मार्काचा पेपर होणार आहे तुमचा ऑफलाईन का ऑनलाईन, दॅट टाइम विल डिसाइड, or the university will decide related with the examination criteria. Okay, then your ICA, internal continuous assessment, 25 marks. That is your journal, assignment, triple P, whatever the things will be there, both based on that you will get a internal continuous assessment marks, that is called as a term work, that is of 25 marks. And very important, practical oral examination is there, which is of 50 marks. Okay, I think for every semester from second year onwards, for every semester you are having a oral, practical oral examination. It's for 3 subjects. प्रत्येक सेमिस्टरला तुम्हाला 3 सब्जेक्टला तर प्रॅक्टिकल ओरल एक्झाम असते. ओके, फॉर दिस सेमिस्टर आय थिंक सो इट इज फॉर अ DT ला तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकल ओरल एक्झामिनेशन 50 मार्काचे आहे. देन अनदर वन इज फॉर द आय थिंक ECAD आणि NTA कॉम्बिनेशन इज देअर, and then the AC is there, I think. Then you are having the practical oral examination maybe of a 25 marks or the 50 mark. एकतर 50 मार्काची असेल किंवा 25 मार्काची असेल. 50 मार्काची म्हणजे प्रॅक्टिकल परफॉर्मन्स पण असतो त्याच्यामध्ये. यू हॅव टू डू द प्रॅक्टिकल ॲट द टाइम ऑफ एक्सटर्नल, and then oral will be there for that. So total is of 50 marks. Means our subject weightage is 175 marks. See, 70 marks CSE, 30 marks ISC, 25 marks ICA, म्हणजे टर्म वर्क 25 मार्काचा आहे आणि प्रॅक्टिकल ओरल एक्झामिनेशन इज ऑफ 50 marks. See, very much important subject, but very easy and very interesting subject is digital technique. If you are having the notebook of your diploma second year classes, open that notebook. You can compare the syllabus also. Okay, and you can check की आपण काय काय शिकलो ह्याच्यामध्ये काय काय नवीन शिकायचंय. I can give a guarantee to all of you. You can find out 95% syllabus is the same whichever you have studied in a diploma. डिप्लोमा मध्ये स्टडी केलेला 95% सिलेबस हा सेमच आहे आपल्याला डिजिटलला. Then I can say in other words, this is a one type of a revision for you. Digital हा सब्जेक्ट हा रिव्हिजनचा टाइपचा सब्जेक्ट आहे तुमच्यासाठी. So everybody definitely will get above 60 marks in the digital technique out of 70. Yes or no? Okay. सिलेबस बघूयात, मग त्याच्यावरनं तुम्ही ठरवू शकता. We'll go for syllabus. See, this is the syllabus. Section 1. Syllabus is visible, everyone? Syllabus is visible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now syllabus is visible?
No, ma'am.
No? आधीची स्लाइड दिसत होती का?
No, ma'am.
आता काय दिसतंय?
नाही.
I have shared the screen. Huh?
No, ma'am.
Now it is visible.
No, ma'am.
No,
I have
ma'am.
shared the screen. I have shared the screen. Screen is not visible.
No, ma'am. Not visible.
Now screen is visible.
Not visible.
Okay, now
No.
you pin to my name. No, हर्षवर्धन pin करा त्याला. I have shared the screen. Now it is visible.
No, ma'am.
Now it is visible.
No, ma'am.
I have shared the screen.
Not visible.
Hmm? Okay, leave it. I will what to do? I will read the syllabus. I will read the syllabus and I will share this PPT with you. Today's PPT I will share it on a group. Okay? Still, I will tell you the syllabus. Okay. Chapter. Will now okay, screen is not visible. I will start telling the syllabus as whatever the syllabus is there. Okay. You are having the syllabus which contains the 6 chapters. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am
Yes, ma'am.
I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are having the syllabus which contains the 6 chapters. Section 1, 3. Okay. Section 1, 3 chapters. Section 2, 3 chapters. In that first chapter is unit number 1, that is the codes and simplification technique. In chapter, we are going to discuss code and There are some simplification techniques that codes कुठले study करणार आहे आपण तर BCD code, gray code, 7-segment code. This code we are going to discuss, and we are going to discuss one simplification that already studied in the diploma, that is a K-map. K-map up to the 4 variable. See, first chapter जर मी घेतला तर तुम्हाला कोड सेम माहिती आहे as well as you have studied the K-map also. So first chapter is already that considered or studied by you. The second chapter is the unit number 2, that is a combinational circuit design. Yes, in that chapter we are going to discuss about the some combinational circuit, that is the adder, subtractor, then code converter, multiplexer, demultiplexer, then encoder, decoder, then mux demux tree, then carry look ahead generator, parallel adder, all these circuits we are going to discuss. So the name of the chapter is the combinational circuit design. Okay, then unit number 3 is your logic families and flip-flop. Okay, logic family, as its name implies, we are going to discuss the introduction of the logic family, what do you mean by logic family, and the 2-3 logic families we are going to discuss, and what are the characteristics of that logic family that we are going to discuss. All of you, I think, heard about the TTL and the CMOS. Transistor logic is one of the logic family, and complementary metal oxide semiconductor is another logic family. Yes, these two we are going to discuss in this chapter. And your next part of this chapter, unit number 3, is the flip-flop. We are going to discuss about a flip-flop. In that, main 4 flip-flops we are going to discuss. I think मी जेव्हा सांगते तुम्हाला की सिलेबस काय आहे, तुम्हाला काहीतरी रिकॉल होत असेल तुमच्या मॅडमने डिप्लोमा मध्ये शिकवलेलं की फ्लिप-फ्लॉप आपण ऐकलंय काहीतरी 1 बीट मेमरी सेल असतो, 4 टाइपचे फ्लिप-फ्लॉप आहेत. Same syllabus is there for the flip-flop, and same we are going to discuss here in your unit number 3, that is your flip-flop. 4 flip-flop study करायचे. Then characteristic table is there, excitation table, characteristic equation, race around condition, master slave flip-flop, JK flip-flop and flip-flop conversion. How we are going to convert one type of flip-flop into another, that we are going to discuss in the chapter. This is all about the section 1. Section 2, we are having again 3 chapters, that is unit number 4, that is register. Register is already, I think, you have studied. Then synchronous, asynchronous type of sequential circuit. See, there are 2 different types of the circuits. There one is a combinational circuit, another one is a sequential circuit. Your unit number 2 is a combinational circuit. Okay, and your unit number 4 is with respect to the sequential circuit. Combinational circuit study केल्यानंतर sequential circuit study करायचं आपल्याला. There is a lot of difference in between combination and the sequential that we are going to study once we start with the particular chapter. In that register chapter, we are going to study about a shift register, then 4-bit bidirectional shift register, universal shift register, ring counter, and the Johnson counter. Very small syllabus with respect to that register chapter. Then we are going to discuss about a counter and the state machine. Counter, we know the definition of the counter. Okay, counting means, a counter means we are going to count something, that is called as the counter. Then we are going to study about the different types of the counter, that is a synchronous counter, asynchronous counter. Okay, then in that also there are the different types of the counters are there. There is a modern counter, up down counter, synchronous counter, asynchronous counter, 4-bit up down counter. That we are going to study different types of the counter. And then another part of the chapter is a state machine. I think state machine and that Moore-Mealy machine you are not studied. This is an extra part for you than the diploma, whatever the syllabus is there. Okay, then I say this is a new topic for you, that is a Moore-Mealy machine, representation technique, state diagram, state assignment, state reduction, and the implementation using flip-flop. But though this is a new topic, but it is a very easy. Then next over your unit number 6 is there, that is a PLD and the VHDL. Okay, programmable logic devices and VHDL. I think VHDL you have studied in a VLSI subject, and PLD you have studied in a diploma in the digital principle of digital technique subject, that is a PROM, PAL, PLA architecture, then CPLD, then implementing combinational circuits using PLDs, and the VHDL. Though the VHDL is added in your second year subject, that we are going to discuss here only whatever the basic things which with respect to that VHDL language. That is your library, entity, architecture of the VHDL, and we are having the coding part also, but we are not going to discuss the advanced coding in the VHDL. We are going to discuss very basic coding technique or the coding with respect to the VHDL, that is adder, subtractor, and the comparator. Only three programs will be there. Out of that, adder again it will contain two programs, that is the half adder, full adder, then half subtractor, full subtractor, and the final one is the comparator is there. Okay, then this is your syllabus with respect to the digital technique. Then tell me what is the new thing in this. What is the new thing? Code झालेलं तुम्हाला? Please turn on your mic and tell me. Am I audible? Yes, am I audible?
Ma'am.
Am I
Yes,
audible? Tell me what is the new in this course you have studied? Yes, no. Smita,
Yes,
Shreya.
ma'am.
Yes. Then KMAP study केलाय का?
हो.
KMAP नंतर adder subtractor study केलंय का?
Yes.
हा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then adder subtractor नंतर multiplexer, demultiplexer. Priyanka,
Yes.
you answer. Priyanka, remember
Yes, ma'am.
syllabus?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then त्याच्यानंतर काय आहे? Multiplexer, encoder, decoder.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next, what is the next topic after adder, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder, decoder? Flip-flop. You studied flip-flop?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
JK.
Flip-flop. Then logic family, I think not studied, na? Logic family studied?
Yes.
लॉजिक फॅमिली पण झालंय का?
झालंय मॅडम.
नव्हतं मला वाटतं लॉजिक फॅमिली, तुम्हाला का होतं?
नव्हतं.
Then next register you studied? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
register also studied. Register, counter. You studied counter also?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then register झालंय, counter पण झालंय. State machines होतं का तुम्हाला? मुरे मिले machines?
No, ma'am.
No.
मुरे मिले. As it then PLD, VHDL,
No, ma'am.
PLD नव्हतं का? PLA, PAL
नव्हतं.
PIL होतं,
नव्हतं
VHDL
का? बरं
नव्हतं
ठीक
का?
आहे. VHDL
No, ma'am. VHDL नव्हतं.
सब्जेक्ट मध्ये झाले ना? मेगा VLSI ला झालं का तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
त्याच्यावर कुठली लँग्वेज वापरली तुम्ही प्रोग्रामिंगला? हार्डवेअरला VHDL वापरली ना तुम्ही? Yes, am I audible? Mega? Shreya,
Yes,
Smita? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Which language you have used in VLSI subject?
VHDL.
VHDL. That only we are going to study. It means, what is new for you in this subject? Tell me. नवीन काय आहे तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये आता? Which topic is new?
More and
Anyone?
machines.
Out of the syllabus. Some are saying we are not studied, you are not studied. More Mille machine. PLDs? Programmable logic devices you have studied? Programmable logic devices?
These we have studied.
Studied, na? I think studied your PLA, PAL, CPLD.
Yes, we have studied.
Yes. Then you tell me how much syllabus is new for me. Percentage मध्ये सांगा. 5%, 10% is new for you?
5%.
Yes?
5 to 10%.
Smita is
Ma'am.
there? Smita Lokhande.
Yes, ma'am.
किती पर्सेंट न्यू आहे तुम्हाला सिलेबस याच्यामध्ये सांगा मला. हा, हाऊ मच सिलेबस इज न्यू फॉर यू स्मिता?
30 ते 40%.
90% is old. 10% new?
No, ma'am, 30 ते
Yes.
40%.
स्मिता, काय नवीन आहे का? न्यू सिलेबस
Diploma
फॉर यू
bank.
और ओल्ड वन इज देयर 30 to 40?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You're not audible, Smita.
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi.
हाँ मैम.
How syllabus is new for you?
10% मैम.
किती? Yes, very correct. 10 to 20. Yeah, very correct, Sakshi. 10 to 20% syllabus is new for you. Remaining syllabus already you have studied in a diploma. But don't feel difficult like madam is saying this is only new syllabus. But we are going to study deeply each and every concept. Why I have telling this to all of you, because it is one very easy subject in the second year first semester. If we'll compare digital technique with NTARE, so I'm telling everything to all of you. And if you're having the notebooks, you can refer that notebook. I'm going to teach you. No problem for that. You can ask any query related with that. I'm going to teach each every topic, the small topic also with respect to the syllabus of the digital technique. Don't worry about it. But what I want to tell out of this, if you more give a focus on the digital technique, definitely you will get above 60 marks out of 70 in a digital technique. But one problem with the digital technique is, as I told you, language of the digital technique is 0 and 1 only. If I will replace the 0 by 1 and the 1 by 0, your 100% will be reduced drastically by the 0%. 0 च्या तिथं मी 1 लिहिलं आणि 1 च्या तिथं 0 लिहिलं तर माझा रिझल्ट काय होणार आहे? डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम 100% it will be reduced to the 0%. So you have to take care about that 0 and 1. At a specific location, you are supposed to use a 0, and wherever required, you have to write on the 1 over there. Because digital understand only language of a 0 and 1. Like in our school days, we are understanding the language of pass and fail. Yes, pass झाला का fail झाला, pass झाला का नापास झाला. There is a very small, the negligible difference in between the 39 and 40. If I will get 39 marks out of 100, yes, आधी 100 marks चा पेपर असायचा. 39 मिळाले म्हणजे फेल झाला, 40 मिळाले म्हणजे पास झाला. How much is the difference? 1 mark difference is there. In the same way in a digital, there is a very negligible difference in the 0 and 1. But it makes total 100% difference in our digital, because it understands the language of only 0 and 1. So you should take care at the time of dealing with the digital technique. Okay, so this is all about the related with the digital technique. Now in the next lecture we will start with our first topic, our first unit, that is our codes and the simplification technique. Then today only I will share one PDF, okay, for the first chapter चा PDF. आणि आता जे मी पीपीटी तुम्हाला जे दाखवलं त्या पीपीटी मी तुम्हाला शेअर करते संध्याकाळी, ग्रुपवर टाकते मी तुम्हाला. ओके, then it will be easy for you to understand the first chapter. नोट्स तुमच्याकडे असल्या म्हणजे तुम्हाला अंडरस्टँड करायला काय होईल, इझी जाईल. And it is my humble request to everyone, prepare one notebook and start writing notes in that, whatever the teachers are going to share with you. ठीक आहे, जे टीचर तुम्हाला शेअर करतील त्या नोट्स त्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायला सुरुवात करा. We don't know what will happen in your case, direct second year or that regular student, where your exam will be online and the offline. If online exam will be there, objective will be there, no problem. But offline exam will be there, then you are supposed to write down the 170 marks paper. So त्याची पण practice करा तुम्ही. Whichever the notes teacher is going to share, try to write down in your notebook. Prepare a separate notebook for every subject. Okay? Any query? Meena? Sorry, Meenal? Sakshi, any query?
No, ma'am.
Sakshi, Okay. Is there my language
No,
is
ma'am.
understand by you?
Ah,
Yes.
yes.
My
Ah,
language understand by you?
yes, ma'am.
Speed is okay? Speed is okay?
Okay.
स्पीड इज ओके और द मराठीमध्ये वापर जास्त करायचा आहे का इंग्लिशमध्ये ठीक आहे ओके आहे
चालते मॅडम.
साक्षी काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही
चालते.
सृष्टी स्मिता ऐश्वर्या
No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम देन वी विल स्टॉप हिअर ओनली